Hope you had a great weekend. We are on our second week of our new unit, Matter. And you remember last week we learned that matter is anything that takes up space and has mass. So everything that you see around you in your room or in your house is made up of matter. And matter is made up of tiny, 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 tiny little things called atoms. So those are the two vocabulary words that we learned last week. I hope you guys are studying your vocabulary words because we will have a quiz next week. So make sure that you guys are taking the time and going on to Quizlet and learning those words. So this week, we are continuing to learn about matter. I'm going to go ahead and read you the slide for this week. So this week I did the format a little bit different. So it's the same thing as this, except I put it all on Google Slides, and I'll explain a little bit later how you can flip through and look through it, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and read this out loud. Happy Monday. I hope you had a relaxing weekend. Here are the slides for the week. Remember that your work is now graded. You will be able to see your grades in Student View and Parent View. I will be also keeping track of the work you do on these slides. So for example, I'm still going to do the sticker system. So you can see my chart in the assignment on Google Classroom. But first, before you guys start on anything else, any work, I really want you to do this beginning of week check-in, okay? Go ahead and click that and answer the questions. Some of the questions might be different. So for example, in this one, I ask if you know how to use your email because I am going to be starting to email you guys, and it's really important that you know how to check your email because if you have any questions or anything like that you don't want other students to see, but you only want me to see. So instead of posting on Google Classroom, I want you to be able to send me an email, okay? So if you do not know how to do that, please click no, because then I'll post up another video to show you how you can log on and send an email and all of that stuff, okay? Because sometimes you just want to talk to me and not talk to the whole class and post on Google Classroom. Or sometimes I might need to email just you, and I need to know that you're able to check that. Okay, so before you start any of your work, go ahead and do the beginning of the work check-in. Okay, so today, or Monday, I'm not going to explain all the slides because what's different about this week is I added these little guys right here. So if you go ahead and click right here, so sometimes it doesn't pop up. So what you need to do is click present and then click the button, but you don't see it because my little video thing is covering that. So I'm not going to do that. But in order to play it, you might have to click present to see it. And then I'm going to explain what you're going to do for that day. Today we're going to be working on I'm not going to play it all because you guys can listen to it when you get to that slide. Okay. So you see for Tuesday, you have to do these 3 lessons and explain. I give you directions. And then there's a video that you can watch to go ahead and figure out or know how to log on to Science A to Z. And then Wednesday, again, there's that little dot right here. I'll explain everything. I explain everything in those slides. So I'm going to go quickly. And then Thursday, this is what you guys are doing on Thursday. And then Friday. Okay, so Friday is a little bit different because Friday is the day that I want you to be able to catch up on everything. So again, you guys, you don't have to wait to do certain things. This is all up to you how you want to complete it. I just added the days to help it make it easier for you, okay? So for example, if you completed Wednesday and you're like, oh, I could do Thursday, you guys can go ahead and do that, okay? You don't have to wait until Thursday or a specific day to complete these assignments. Or, for example, because I know everyone's homes are different. I know there's brothers and sisters you might have to look after, or there's certain things that are happening. And I understand that you might not be able to get to all your work in one day. So, for example, on Tuesday, you're like, oh my goodness, I can't do lesson 2 and 3. I have to do something. That's okay. You can come back to it. And that is why I left Friday open for you all to go back and do the work that you need to complete. Okay. So this is also another day, if you completed everything, that you can go ahead and review your vocabulary words again, because you do have a quiz next week. I think I remind you guys a lot on these slides that you have a quiz next week. Yes, we are having quizzes. Yes, everything's graded. So that's another thing that you can do on Friday, okay? After you are done with everything, that is when you do the end of the week check-in, okay? So I want to know how your week went. Did you finish all your assignments? Make sure you go back and check your student view, your sticker chart, to make sure that you completed everything and submitted everything, okay? Also, let me know if there's something that I can do to help make it easier for you, okay? Because again, teachers are learning every single day about how we can make this better for you guys. So we are trying our best. So it really helps if there's something that you're like, oh, this is too confusing. Maybe you could do it like this, Miss Choi. Okay, I would love those suggestions, and please let me know, okay, how I can help you. Again, I am on the computer Monday through Friday every single day in the morning hours. So if you need me, please feel free to reach out to me. You have my phone number, you have my email, you have so many different things that you can do to reach me if it's for anything, okay? Any of your other classes as well, let me know. And that's about it. I hope you guys have a great week, and I will see you later.